done for you affiliate commission funnels for Livegood affiliates. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 profitable Livegood funnels that you'll be getting for the initial product for Commission Funnels Pro, and then my bonuses of what you'll get for Commission Funnel Pro when you get it through my link down below, which nobody else will have any bonuses to similar of mine of what you'll get. And I'll be walking with you through the sales page. I'm not going to share with you with the members area because it'll reveal the share codes for the done for you funnels, and I don't want to do that. Won't be fair to the vendor, so I'll just share with you the landing pages of what they'll look like. And I'm going to give you 6 done for you Livegood affiliate funnels for to promote Livegood the right way rather than to send traffic just to the main sign up page, which is the wrong way to do it. So about this product is the front end is $7. You get done for you affiliate funnels, the 3 initial funnels, and then you get 6 extra done for you Livegood affiliate funnels just for $7, which is insane. And I'll share with you one of them, just a pure example, just so you don't have to mimic it yourself, so you can just share it right after when you get the share codes. And what they are is, step 1, grab this offer now, which you can find this offer linked down below. Grab your affiliate links, which is your Livegood affiliate link, and then promote it through the Livegood funnel. And then OTO1 is $47, which is not that bad. You get share codes plus training plus funnel setup. And the last OTO is $17, which is traffic sources plus PLR. Again, you get 6 done for you Livegood lead capture pages and extra training for leads lead. You get a Livegood follow-up series for Leads Lead Pro members. It's not just for the Pro members, to be honest with you. You can use this for the free version of Leads Lead. And you'll learn how to drive extra traffic with traffic code for this bonus. This one will talk about how to get traffic from TikTok and also Quora, which is another unique traffic source that nobody talks about. And then you'll learn how to drive Facebook traffic through your Livegood landing pages that you get with Leads Lead through my link. So here's just an example of the main product of Commission Funnels Pro. Traffic plus recurring commissions generating funnel. This is just a sample. Of one of them, and here's my opt-in page that I'm testing out right now, and what you'll get as an extra bonus. Pretty simple, to the point opt-in page that talks about Livegood. That's the right way to promote your Livegood affiliate link rather than just to drive paid traffic to the raw landing page, which is not a good idea. That's one way to get your account suspended and banned. Okay, so here is the sales page for done for you Commission Funnels Pro. It's called Affiliate Funnels that generates unlimited leads and recurring commissions. A little hypey, but you can earn recurring commissions and generate unlimited leads if you use Leads Lead too. Here is the extra funnels that you get. Bridge page and OTO, which we can earn money as an affiliate also through Warrior Plus. and then you get the landing pages that you get to see saw of what I shared with you, and it's all just for $7. Commission Maker, Leadsleep, main tool to build your funnels and your team, which is the tool I use personally. Commission Maker 2, your chosen business opportunities, which one of them is Livegood, of course. So you can be making videos like this in the business opportunity niche and earn affiliate commissions like that. And affiliate commission maker number 3, this affiliate offer will basically you can promote the product to also as an affiliate. That is Commissions Funnels Pro in a nutshell. What they are just share codes for Livegood landing pages, which they are pretty cool, in my opinion. And you get, again, 6 extra done for you landing pages for Livegood affiliates, and extra training for Leadsleep on how to share the share codes in your Leadsleep free account. And yeah, again, that link will be down below. And how you can find your bonuses is this little blue button after checkout. And yeah, I hope you check it out through my link down below. This is Kalen V Marketing. I will see you all in the next video.